everyone, we are the group 1 and we make English table setup and service. And so before anything else, I'm going to give you a little bit information about English table and setup and service. So English table setup and service is also known as a silver service. It is a formal dining style used in a high-end restaurant and hotel. So what we're going to do here is we will be having a role play to show how this service is being served with the restaurant and hotels. So let's start.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Princess and I'm with Janela. And now we will be discussing you all about the equipment and the utensils needed in English setup. And we will be telling you the use and their use.
First, as you can see, we place the dining plate at the center and use for serving the meat. Next, we have the dessert plate. Place above the dining plate and use for serving the dessert. Next, we have the glassware. The first one is the water goblet. Place on the right side and use for serving the water. Next, we have the glass wine beside the water goblet and use for serving the wine.
And you can see the dinner knife. Dinner knife is used for main course like meat, fish, or poultry. Then their placement is on the right side of the meat. The next one is the fork. The fork is for the main course also. From the salad or the pasta. It is from the left side of the plate. The next one is the spoon. The spoon is for the food that we brought. And this is the and then it is the right side and the left right side of the plate. Then next one is the dessert.
Pausog mo nga.
Pausog mo din. Used for the dessert or appetizer. And it is on the right side and the left side of the plate.
Lastly, the napkin is placed above
Dito ito sa gilid lang.
wipe your hand and finger, protect your clothes, and touch drops during your dessert.
Photographer.
When welcoming guests, make sure to greet them with a warm smile and offer a polite introduction. And make sure to speak clearly and confidently.
Like that, we will run it by we were thinking of Novelino one.
So what is earlier for the appetizer, it's really cracker bites. And for the main dish, it's grilled steak. And for the drinks, it's Novelino. And for the dessert, it's Novelino. So good morning, classmates. Good morning. gonna share my experience working in a fast food chain restaurant. So to step on this, you need to smile and greet the customer. As the customer enters the door, you need to smile them. You need to smile them. I need to greet them with a smile. And the next is taking the order to the customer, which is this step. Taking the order to the customer, taking order ensures well communicated between the customer, the server, and the kitchen. So, well communicated is likely to be misunderstood. So, the step 3 is repeating the order to the customer. You need to repeat the order to the customer to ensure that the customer and to clarify that the order is correct and to minimize the error ordering. And if there's the customer is having a request of the request or the order, they take the order.
Hello, good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Archie, and I'll be presenting our signature wine. So, our wine name is Novelino. It has 7.5 alcohol content. This is made from fermented grapes and originated from our country, the Philippines. So, as you can see, I am a wine server. So, as a wine server, I am responsible for recommending wines to the customer based on their preference, and also for food pairings. And as a wine server, I am also responsible for wine inventory and ensuring the proper storage of a wine.
Good morning, my name is John Peter Botardo. I am a food server. And the role of the food server is to ensure to deliver the right food to the guest, and also taking care of the guest, and also meet the demand of every guest that need to dine in their table. Wait lang.
Would you like any kind or cash? I'm responsible for I'm responsible for the video for the
is important for cleaning the table. Ensures great dining experience and food service, and letting your guests sleep.
Again, good morning everyone. We are the group 1 and my name is Archie and I am your wine server.
My name is Monica. I'm going to get a simple thing that is doing acknowledge for our effort. Hi everyone, my name is Bethel. I'm the one responsible for taking the orders from our
Good morning, everyone. My name is Peter. I am the food server.
Good morning, my name is Elian. I'm the one who's responsible for welcoming the guests.
Hi, good morning. My name is Princess.
Hi, good morning, my name is Renata.
And we are the one who is training the English table setting.
That's all.